Greetings once again, my friends. I'd like to welcome you to another video, and I hope your day is going awesome, and I hope your fall is going awesome, wherever you are, whatever part of the world you're in. I hope you're having a great day. I got a little something different to show you. I know I say that a lot, that I have different videos, but this one actually really is a different kind of video. Those of you that follow my channel, you know that I like to make models, and I like to work at the desk, whether it's the model kit or I'm working on the Enterprise D from Eagle Moss, or just different projects that I have going on at the model desk. I also like to do the unboxings and stuff there because the light's better. But anyway, those of you that follow my channel know that I like to have my little mug of Dunkin' Donuts coffee on the side. Well, when I get tied up in doing detailing or working on a model, the coffee ends up getting really ice cold. But anyway, let's cut out all the fluff and all the yak. So what my wife got me, it's actually pretty cool. It's a smart heated mug kit. And she told me that all I got to do is plug the plate in and put the mug on it. And no matter how long I leave it there, it'll keep my coffee nice and hot. Because I'm weird when it comes to coffee. I either like it scalding hot, or ice cold. I do not like lukewarm coffee. But anyway, I want to show you guys this because I thought this was really cool. It's TEASE, with the TEA, as in tea, Smart Heated Mug Kit with lid, spoon, and a warming pad. So I thought that was pretty cool, and it's a good idea. Let me show you the back of the box, and it's got some information. From your desk to your home office, bedside table to kitchen counter, Smart Heated Mug Kit has everything you need to keep coffee and tea at the perfect temperature so that you can focus on the important things. This kit includes a gold stirring spoon, one porcelain mug cover, and one zero-gravity sensor, safety-controlled heating pad that keeps beverages at a perfect 55 degrees for up to 6 hours. I'm thinking that that's Fahrenheit. Instructions. Simply plug in a cord into the standard 110-volt outlet and place your mug with hot liquid on the top center. The zero-gravity sensor will automatically turn on, indicated by a blue light, keeping your beverage warm for up to 6 hours. To turn off, remove your mug. Caution: unplug from outlet when not in use and before cleaning. Allow the warmer to completely cool before cleaning or touching. Keep out of reach of children. And the other side, I think, is in a different language. So that's basically, let's see, we got some stuff on the side. It says, "Hi, we're TEASE. We create blends of accessories that support our community to live with and lead consciously. We're on a mission to show everyone they have exceptional power to impact themselves, their communities, and their planet. We do this through supporting daily international rituals that become long-lasting change while investing in women, one cup at a time. Learn more at tea.com. On the bottom, let's see, what is this? This company meets the highest standards of social and environmental impact. Okay, so certified. Okay, so that's what's on the side. Yep, and that one's in different language. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera on a tripod and we'll open it up. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, let's try to... I think that comes out like this. See, I had already ripped the box trying to get it out. It's like a little case with a handle, and I don't know why it does not want to come out. It seems like there's something taped. Well, I guess we got to do it that way because I don't want to end up destroying the box. But I can't get the little drawer out. Okay, so let's put that aside, and I'll show you guys what's in the package. This is the lid that they were talking about. And let's see. That's pretty cool. It's a good sized mug. Nice. All right. That's this part. This is the part that gets plugged in. Mug warmer. Household use only. I've actually thought about getting something along the lines of this before. You know, when you go to take a sip of coffee and it's like not cold, not hot, and it's kind of yucky. You can see TEASE. Caution, may be hot. Okay, let's see, what else do we have in here? Let's put the lid on the mug. Oh, you can see the spoon. So we got a little spoon to keep stirring. That's always a good thing to have. So you can see the opening on the lid. All right, is that everything? Yep, what's this? Just some information about the safety precautions, company information, guarantees. I think it's, this is the English side, if you're interested. Okay, so is that everything that, yep, that's everything that was in the drawer. So let's put this stuff aside for a minute. And, okay. There. It's a pretty good length cord. And you can see it looks like there's a little on and off button right there. And we put it down. We have the mug. You can see where it's going to make the contact. It goes right into the center. You can stir your coffee, put the lid on, and that'll keep it hot. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. We're going to, I'm going to pause the video. I'm actually going to wash everything out with hot soapy water. I'm going to make sure it's nice and clean, and we're actually going to bring it over to the desk where I'm going to keep it. And when everything is washed, we'll go over to the desk and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I got the cup all nice and washed. I washed it in hot soapy water, and then I dried it, and I put some coffee in it the way I like. So you guys know my channel. I usually put my coffee on the wood block that I use to solder. So let's go ahead. We're going to plug it in. Let's see, we got to put it on. Actually, we'll put the cup on first. Make sure it's nice and clean underneath. And you can see the blue light. It goes on. Now, excuse the mess. What I'm doing here is I'm actually working on the SS United States. So I just put another coat of the black. You can see the anchors. And this build is dedicated to my friend Alan, who absolutely loves this ship. Anyway, that's why it's a bit messy right now. So we're waiting for the hull to dry. So, we made the coffee. Let's go ahead. I'm going to give it a sip. You can see when you pick the cup up, the light goes off. I love fresh ground, fresh brewed coffee. Okay, so you see the light is back on. So we're going to put, let me put the spoon back in. We're going to put the cover on. And let's say about 20 minutes. We'll come back in 20 minutes and we'll give it a test and we'll see if it's still as hot as it is now. Okay, so it's been about 17, 20 minutes, around those that time period. So let's take the cover off, give it a quick stir. Again, when you pick it up, the light goes out, turning the unit off, which is a good thing. It's still nice and hot. It's just as hot as it was when I put it on. Love that. Great cup of coffee. So my friends, if you do like I do, and you do modeling or whatever you're going to do at your work desk, and you like to have a cup of coffee with you, but you get preoccupied and before you know it, the coffee's ice cold, one of these is really cool. This really helps. It keeps your coffee hot. It's got the plate, it's got the spoon, and it's got the lid to make sure that your coffee stays just the right temperature that you like it. So my friends, you can expect to see this in my video from now on, and I'll be using this coffee cup to keep my coffee nice and warm. So again, this is a different kind of video, just to kind of give you guys an idea of this product, how it works, and my opinion. I think it's great. So my friends, thank you for watching. I'll put the link in the description if you want to get one, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.